We were out to dinner in June and came home to our washing machine had overflowed. There was water all the way into the dining room, and we had towels everywhere trying to get it cleaned up. And then we thought that it would dry out itself, realized it would not. Throughout the whole experience, I probably worked with 5 or 6 of the employees from Warrior, and each one of them very professional, helped me, understand the process. They handled everything as far as the insurance and all that, everything, so I didn't have to deal with that, which was fabulous. When I called them, the first person that came out was Joey. Joey came and looked at everything, and he helped me through the process of what they were going to be doing. And then Ashley's been wonderful. She helped me with insurance. She stayed on top of our insurance company to make sure that we got the money so we could get started. And that's when I met with Dwayne to make this wonderful kitchen come to life. And then, of course, we had Lee that he oversaw all of it. And Warrior's done a wonderful job with us.